Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to join Uber One for free. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Uber One is a subscription service that offers members special benefits when using an Uber and Uber Eats. For you can enjoy perks like discounts on rides and delivery fees. It's a great way to save money if you frequently use these services. So, what if you want to you want to try this Uber One on your Uber Eats? It's very simple. So, you can try Uber One for free. It's for 4 weeks. So, you can open your Uber Eats in here. Now you can go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right here, and you'll find there is an option try Uber One free, unlock delivery fee and more. You can just tap on that. So here's the benefits when you activate the Uber One, when you join to Uber One. As you can see in here, we get a free trial for 4 weeks. You can just tap on continue. You can choose monthly. It's for monthly, 4 weeks, but we can try it's free. This for annual. Now you can just choose which one do you want to try. We'll try this one. You can tap on. You can choose your student get Uber One for half price. This one. Now you can just tap on try for free. But before that, don't forget to add your payment balance. You can add the payment method. You can add your PayPal or Venmo, or you can add your credit or debit card. But because in this I don't have any of them, I will just explain to you how to do it. You can just add your payment method, and you can try for free and follow the step-by-step that Uber gives to you. So you can try the free Uber One member for 4 weeks. It's very simple, right? So that is how to join Uber One for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.